Okay, so I admit it. I messed up. Well, a little. Sometimes when I get started on a project, I get so involved in the process, I don't think about the result. In this case, ergonomics. I set out to design a handle for my Zcam E2. I know, I could just buy one, right? There's plenty of good ones out there, but I just wanted to see if I could do it myself. After all, I've made plenty of other gear. Why should the handle be any different? The handle had to function not only as a handle, but also as a start-stop trigger, and also as a carriage for my SanDisk SSD. That's a lot to think about as far as design goes. There's one thing, though, I didn't think about. The handle had to be, well, yeah, comfortable. That's where I blew it. I'm just going to show it to you. Here it is. It's super uncomfortable. It bites into the palm of my hand, and it even leaves a mark from the bottom having kind of a sharp corner. It carries out the other functions very well, but there's no way I could hold the camera rig for any length of time. The thought of starting over, it just stung a bit. Starting over was the only way, though, to get a comfortable fit, since version 1 was a permanent design with no way to alter it. What makes a comfortable handle? Turns out, not much. Just a slight curve, and small enough to fit in the palm of my hand. Examples of comfortable handles weren't hard to find. My small drill, my router handles, oh, and even my Phase 1 camera. There's plenty of more examples around here for me to study. It's time for a do-over. Starting from scratch using scrap wood. Well, that was a lot of work. And here it is. This is a good design. Feels good in the hand. Let me know in the comments if you can think of another design. Thanks for watching.